Hello guys, welcome to the channel Fun Mani. In today's video, we are gonna review the Popio tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. We have already tried out the ESR tempered glass screen protector as well as the Spigen. I will leave the link in the description for the purchase link as well as the review video of these two. And we are also gonna review the case candy screen protector as well. So stay tuned and let's start off from this Popio temper glass screen protector. So let's see what are we getting in the box. Okay, normal packaging if we compare with the Spigen, but let's see. Okay, so we are getting a wet wipe, a dry wipe, dust absorber stickers, and the tempered glass. You can see 6D edge to edge for Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and definitely I think it supports the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner as well. It's written use fingerprint for unlock, so that's an S. So let's keep this aside and let's take the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And first of all, you need to take the wet wipe. So this is the wet wipe. Okay, now wipe the screen completely with the wet wipe and make sure you cover the edges very well, because actually this is the area which could get the bubbles as well as minor dust particles. So you need to make this area is completely clean. So make sure you just cover all the edges very well and make different locations of the wet wipe. Okay, now it's almost done, and now just take the dry wipe. Okay, and just dry, and also make sure you cover the corners very well. Okay, now the most important thing you need to do is check with all the possible angles that you could see any minor, very minor dust that could cause a bubble. So carefully observing, if you see any minor bubble, then you need to take this dust absorber and make sure you just do like this. And I would recommend doing it in almost all the corners for a safer side, because some dust particles cannot be seen if you observe in a faster pace. So wherever you seen the dust or minor, I could see something on this location. So yeah, now it's almost perfect. So I would recommend this 4 edges is a must, and if possible with this big one, that means with this big dust absorber, just make sure you just cover the screen as well. So now it's completely done from our end. So now if you observe this Pigeon as well as other brands, we do get a tool for the alignment, but here we are not getting a tool, so you should be very careful. So first of all, just take this one very carefully. See, you must be very careful while pulling this. Okay, it's done. Now with some alignment, you can do things like this for a perfect alignment. And so it also contains a black border, you can see. So do a perfect align on the top and align with these two fingers after that. So as you can see, now I have aligned, and now rested. Wait until it automatically gets. Let's see any minor. Oof. You can see it's getting perfect. Oh, see, just below the frame you can just put the screen guard, and you can see till the end, or you can keep an equal border between these two of them and just apply a bit more to the down. So that's upon you. So you should be very careful while fixing the location of screen guard. That's very careful. And now I would say a pro tip. Suppose for example in this location, you have seen a minor dot. So what will you do? Would you need to purchase a new one? No need for that. So here it's a chances of getting bubble. So if you are getting a bubble, then you can just make use of this, and with your thumb you can do like this, like a tool which is using for this removing the bubbles. Or the next thing, this the worst case scenario, is a bubble with a dust. In such scenarios, just take one among which we haven't used earlier. So I'm gonna just pick this one, and there are two chances. One, the dust would be below the screen guard, that means in the display itself. So I'm just gonna pick it up. You can see I have pick it up, and for example if the dust is in the display, so I'm gonna just observe very carefully. So I'm gonna pick and leave, and you can see I left, again picking it up, and I have taken. So now the dust from the screen is gone. Now if the dust is in the screen guard, then you need to do is vice versa. That means just invert this one and do like this, and again give a push and do like this. Now you are completely good to go. Now apply, just keep it automatically, let it be. See, it's automatically getting perfectly done. Yes, and now we can just check the touch sensitivity. Okay, let's wait. Okay, let me type my pattern. Let's see. Yeah. Oh, it's really smooth. Oh, I would say this is really good. You can see. So the string, okay, it's perfect. So always while registering the fingerprint, make sure your phone is lying down like that, and take the phone as you normally do and then register, because it would just be precise like you normally take your phones and all. Okay, it's done, and let me do with this finger as well. Okay, done. Meanwhile, I'm going to draw a pattern to check the smoothness. Okay, done. Now let's see the oh, rapid fast, no issues. Let's try unlocking with the pattern. Okay, fine, in a faster pace. Okay, I think it's perfect. No sort of issues. Now let's check the face recognition also, whether this get any issues for the camera quality on the front camera. Face recognition, continue, register. The face, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, once again 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, no issues, perfect. Okay, once again. So that's a rest from me in terms of the Popio tempered glass screen protector for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So this is the best value for money screen guard which is available right now for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that's it today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.